Hi, I'm Ashley Benish, District 4-H Youth Development Coordinator for the West Central District.
And I'm Maria Walker, District 4-H Youth Development Coordinator for the Southeast and Metro Districts.
Thanks for joining us today to talk about educational process over product. Today we're going to talk about the importance of the educational process in 4-H programs. Positive youth development, or the effort to provide youth with opportunities to enhance their interests, skills, and abilities, is the building block of 4-H youth development. One of the ways we accomplish this is through utilizing experiential learning.
That sounds familiar. Isn't learn by doing the 4-H slogan?
It sure is, and today we're going to talk about the background of experiential learning, the steps of the model, and what this looks like in practice.
Experiential learning is a learning theory which refers to process during which young people learn skills and develop knowledge through real-world, hands-on experiences.
Through work with learning theories, we know children have a constructive instinct to make and shape real-world materials, an inquiry or investigation instinct to do and see what happens, a social instinct and the desire for conversation and communication, and an artistic instinct that grows out of communicating and constructing.
4-H youth development and the curriculum we utilize in our project development is based on the experiential learning model developed by David Kolb in 1984. This model has been adapted over time, and the model used by 4-H youth development today has 5 basic phases. Number 1, youth experience the activity. They perform or do it. 2, youth share the experience by describing what happened. Number 3, youth process the experience to determine what was most important and identify common themes. Number 4, youth generalize from the experience and relate it to their daily lives. And number 5, youth apply what they learned to a new situation.
When using this model, youth are able to both experience and process the activity. The experiential learning model allows youth to participate in engaging, stimulating activities that have real-world basis, but experiences alone do not create experiential learning. The experiential learning activities help the learners to connect what they are learning to prior knowledge and apply it to new situations or problems. They learn from thoughts and ideas about the experience, and each of the 5 steps are important to contribute to the learning.
Although youth have individual learning styles, we know benefits for youth participating in the experiential learning process include learning from each other by sharing knowledge and skills, working together and sharing information learned, taking responsibility for their own learning, and relating experiences to their lives.
So how can you provide experiential learning to youth in your club or program? Some great examples of utilizing this are to play a game. This enhances teamwork, risk-taking, and problem-solving skills. You could do an experiment. Experiments allow youth to work on decision-making and problem-solving skills as well. Have them plan an activity. Allowing youth to plan their own activities helps them exhibit leadership, decision-making, and responsibility, and this in turn allows them to take ownership of their experience. Have them deliver presentations. Presentations allow youth to reflect on experiences or things they've learned while practicing their communication skills. Problem solving allows them to present a real-world problem and have them brainstorm solutions. This helps them apply knowledge they have gathered through research or experiences and utilize their decision-making skills. Have them interview others. This gives youth an opportunity to relate to others and their experiences while again working on those communication skills. And finally, making models and products. By creating or modeling a product, youth are able to problem solve, access resources, and use information they've researched to apply to their project.
Just as importantly, engaging in shared learning experiences create social and cultural bonds that influence identity, relationships, goals, and success.
That's a great point, Maria. So no matter what club, workshop, after school, or school enrichment 4-H project your youth are working on, remember, it is the learning process rather than the end product that remains the most important. Utilize the experiential learning model to experience real-world problems, have youth share their experience, process their thoughts and ideas about that experience, generalize and relate it to their lives, and finally apply what they learned to future situations.